In the Maps app on iOS 17, you can now download maps to use offline. That means if you're travelling in a different country and you haven't got data, or perhaps you just got no signal, you can still use the maps and the directions, all offline. It's super easy to get set up as well. In the Maps app, you're going to press onto your little profile icon, and then from here you're going to go to Offline Maps. Now, iPhone will suggest perhaps a map or two that you might want to use, maybe somewhere you visit often or where you live. So for me, it's found Cornwall, which we'll download in a second. But I also want to add the City of London. So I'm going to choose Download New Map, and in the search box, I'm simply going to search for London. Now, when I tap on the result I want, you'll see this kind of rectangular box over the part of London in the map. And this is the area that we're going to use as an offline map by downloading it. Of course, I can change the size and shape of this area, and I can zoom in and out on the map as well. So I'm just going to zoom into central London and get this snippet here. At the bottom, it tells you how large this download will be. Do be aware of that because it can add up quite quickly if you've got a big area. And then simply tap download and it will save that map as an offline map for you. Okay, now that's downloaded, I've actually downloaded the Cornwall map as well, and I want to show you how clever this really is. So I'm going to completely quit the Maps app and then jump into Control Center and turn on airplane mode and disable Wi-Fi. That means there's now no data, no cell signal, nothing on my phone. But if I go back into the Maps app and then go down to Cornwall, I can still browse everywhere that I need to look at, and I can even create a route to a destination like the train station here. You really have to remind yourself that this is working completely offline because it does seem to work exactly as it would normally work with Signal, and that makes it great for travelling or places with no cell service. And there are loads more iOS 17 tricks in this playlist on the end screen. I bet there are things there you didn't know your phone could do, now you've updated. And if you find these videos useful, please do subscribe, that way you won't miss any future videos from my channel.